Alright guys, today I want to do a full unbox review and setup of my new AMUSIGHT foldable floor lamp. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Alright, so I think this will look pretty cool, like on the corner here. Could bring out, it'll make like your videos probably look a little more appealing, more visually appealing. But you can put this just about anywhere. Let's check it out. Instruction manual right here. The foldable lamp, which we'll take out here in a second. This is the base. And then a remote to control it, which I think you could also control it from an app on your phone as well. So let's assemble it. Should be pretty easy. All right. And this part should just screw into this piece right here. All right, it's literally ready to go. I'm just gonna set it here so we can check it out. I did want to mention real quick on this bottom piece, there is like a way for you to turn it on. It's got like mode, music, and things like that. You're actually able to control some of it right through this remote right here that's all connected to it. And this is what it looks like when you fully have it set up all the way straight up. So you can see it can actually reach pretty high and it looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and download the app as well so that way we can test out all the features on it. All right, so first you're gonna want to download that Magic Pixel app. Once you do have it downloaded, you're just gonna go through some of the login features on there, and then it'll just take you through the prompts. As you can see, it found the lamp right away, and you are able to control a lot of the features right on there. All right, so that's what it looks fully set up. And again, as you can see, the installation of the app was super easy, and to pair it even easier. So this is what the app actually looks like once you have it installed. So I mean, you can literally just change the colors directly on there. It also has scenes built in. So we'll pick this one. Change it up. See some of these down here, colorful. Looks like we could even change the speed in which it changes colors. So you're actually able to control a lot of it, as well as the brightness, which I do have it on the brightest. We could dim it down a bit or make it to the max. And this is probably my other favorite feature is I'm gonna play some music and then you'll see that it'll kind of go to the beat as well. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's look at some of the other cool features that the app has. So as you can see, I can even access, it'll use my microphone that's directly on the iPad or your phone, just like it is here. And it'll do the lights right over there based on what it hears on this microphone versus the microphone that's over there. So that's actually pretty cool too. So you don't even have to be that close to it. You can just have any sound that's coming through here will show on that light over there. So then now we're testing out this on soft. And then we'll test the next one out here on sport just to kind of, oh, I like that one. That one looks cool. Next, we'll try out disco. That one looks very cool too. So like I said, they're all really cool and unique. So I kind of like sport the most though. That one looked neat. So I'll leave it on that one for now. And what the other cool thing is, like, it doesn't just have to be a regular floor lamp where it's just straight like this. We can actually switch it up. So, I mean, we could literally have it like this. I don't know why you'd want it like that, but let's see. Maybe like this. You could have it like this. I mean, there's literally so many different ways that you can design this if you would like to. Like I said, I kind of just like having it like traditionally like this. I might angle it like just a little bit like that and just leave it like that. I just think it looks really cool like that. Let's go ahead and test out the remote that it comes with. So it looks like you can just pick standard colors right off of here. So we'll just do blue, switch to green, yellow, to purple. So as you can see, you're also able to control it right off of here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my main light just so you can actually see the nice colors that it produces. So let me turn everything off. All right, that's what it looks like now. So let's actually test it out with maybe like a scene or something now that we can actually see it a little better. That is cool. Now we're just gonna go ahead and play some music to see how it looks now. All right, guys, so there you have it. If you guys are looking for a new, very cool, modern floor lamp, definitely look into some by AMUSIGHT. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.